What's up, guys? I have here a PS3, and this is the lite model, which is coming with, I don't know, I think about 12 gigs of storage, and of course that's not enough. You will want some more. So in order to get some more storage, you'll just have to buy an ordinary HDD for a laptop, because this is the size you need, and you will have to buy a special HDD holder, but of course you can try to use the HDD without that. So first of all, let's see where does the HDD come inside the console. So if you're holding the console towards you like this, on the right side here you'll just have to push back like this. Okay, so backwards you push that way, and this plastic will just come off just like that. And now if you take a look inside, there is the slot where the HDD is going in. So now this is a brand new HDD. Of course you can use a used one, that won't be a problem. Now I don't have the HDD holder, the adapter which is coming here, but I'll just use it like this for a demo. Just take care how you put it inside. You see that you have this little connector and this big connector, and there is the big connector on the right side. So with the big connector on the right side, right? So I'll try to put it into place. Yeah, I think that's about it. Now, because I don't want it to wiggle like this, I'll just put some paper right over here, but don't do this. I'm just doing it for this testing, because I won't use this PS3 anyway. Okay, so I'm just doing it so I can show you guys how to do it. This is just some ordinary paper. I just want my HDD to stay like that. Alright, so you buy the holder, okay? Okay, so now let's power it on. Of course you have to connect it to the power supply and to your television. Come on, mate. What's wrong with you? Oh, fuck. This is the other one. Okay, there you go. So now let's just switch to the TV. So you can clearly see that it has already detected the HDD, and it's asking to change the location to save your data. So let me just connect my joystick. So we'll choose yes. Okay, choose yes again. And then you'll just have to wait for a bit. I'm gonna just pause the video because this is kind of taking too long, and I'll be back when it's about 98%. So we just hit 98%. So that should be it. Let's connect the controller, go to settings, system settings, and you can see that we have 260 gigs of free space. So that's all. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.